Hey everyone, it's Miss Angel Barber coming back to you. So, I wanted to talk about how I picked my daughter's name. Um, we wanted something that meant love. We were in church one Sunday and the bishop was talking about charity was a sign of love. So, when we found out that we were having a girl or picking girl names, we were like, Charity would be a good name, you know. And remember the bishop said about love, so we did research and let's see. Now, normally when I tell people I'm naming my baby Charity, they're like, Charity? Yeah, because the original, what we think of when we think of charity is an organization that sets up to provide help and raise money for those in need. Or volunteering to give help. Now, the biblical charity is a little different. In the Bible, the classical description of charity is found in 1 Corinthians chapter 13. Like, read the whole chapter. They have a lot of different descriptions of charity. In its translation of the Greek word agape, and agape love is one of the most compassionate loves there is. And also the meaning of love that was shown in the life, teaching, and death of Jesus Christ. So, we wanted it to be biblical and have meaning, of course, and that's how we chose charity. And I got my 21-week ultrasound. I'll post some better pictures, but there she is. She was covering her face. This is the 3D one. And she was like this at first. And I said, Charity, move your hands so we can see your face. And she moved her hands so we could see a little bit of her. And these are the regular ones. I think that's a leg right there. And there go her head. And she's a girl. Ooh, that butt. And there's a toesy woesy. And there she is. Charity. Woo. So, this is Miss Charity. Linda Marie is her middle name. My husband's mother passed away, so when he was younger and 12 to 13, and he wanted to, make her legacy live on. So Linda Marie is her middle name. Barber is her last name. So Charity Linda Marie Barber. And my favorite scripture for charity is going to be in 1 Corinthians 3. And it says, and now abideth faith, hope, charity, and of these three, charity is the greatest. So just look up and read about charity. When you're looking for a biblical name, it doesn't have to be like Mark, Luke, John. You can find different meanings in the Bible that are still biblical and still have meaning. So just search the Bible, pray first. We had Charity's name before we had the boy name, before the gender reveal. And we could not get the boy's name together. But the Lord knows. And that's why Charity came so easy to us. And we're so thankful, and we're waiting on her arrival. As soon as she get here, I'm gonna let y'all see her. So, we're working on it. She's growing. I'm getting ready to go to my appointment. Let's see how big my belly is. Ooh. That's 6 months there, baby. We packing. Big belly time. But thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. I have prayer requests for you guys. And God bless you all. Have a great day. Hey.